Good morning and a very warm welcome to the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium at Uppal in Hyderabad with the Group E matches, round 3. Andhra taking on Goa here. Andhra coming on the back of that victory over Nagaland, a comprehensive win over there. And as far as this fixture is concerned, and let's also take a look at the points table. In Group E, Maharashtra topping it with 2 victories in 2 matches, 8 points. Andhra, of course, having played only 1 game, having won that on 4 points. So is the case with Mumbai as well. Kerala losing to Maharashtra. They are on 4 after 2 games. Services on 4 as well with that victory over Goa. Goa and Nagaland yet to log any points on the table.
Lovely settings here in Hyderabad. We're all in readiness for the toss. It's toss time. It's Goa versus Andhra. To my right, I've got both the captains and the match referee. Of course, Ricky Bhui, the captain of Andhra. We have the Goa captain Deep Raj and Valmik Butch, the match referee for this game. You got the coin? Please spin it, Ricky. Head is a call.
Tail it is.
And it's a tail.
Ricky?
We're looking to bowl first.
What does I do, Ricky?
We're looking to bowl first.
First ball. And off the mark. Straight away, Goa. They would like to give a better account of themselves, having lost both their games here in this IDFC First Bank. Delivery, and that's the end of it. Soft dismissal in many ways.
सिद्धार्थ को जाना पड़ेगा वापस 1 रन बना के. गोवा 4 पे 1. यहाँ लगी है बल्ले के बीच में और आवाज ही बहुत बेहतरीन आई है.
And this time wanting to clear the infield, no, straight going to hand. The captain doesn't make a mistake.
कश्यप ने बनाए 12 रन. गोवा 15 पे 2.
Stephen, this time bit of wit, quick to latch onto it is the skipper Gaukar, 4 runs. This time also finding the placements superbly, threading the needle, consecutive boundaries. This is short, and this time also the pull, keeping it down, 4 more runs. Took a wicket of the last ball of the over. This time once again square driven beautifully. Oh, just chipping it into the air, playing it a tad early. That's the 3rd wicket down.
दीप राज को जाना पड़ेगा वापस 18 बना के. गोवा 33 पे 3.
Oh, misfield. Should have been fielded there. Will be runs here. It's going to be a 4. Sharp run, sharp run. Requires a direct hit. That could be curtains here. That could be curtains here. They are celebrating. The fielder is T. Vijay.
और यहाँ पे तो दूर लग रहे हैं जी मुझे. बहुत बढ़िया फील्डिंग यहाँ पे.
Darshan, the man out. Kundu March out for 7 of 10 deliveries. That's it. It's Sapesh, but in the gap. That's a quality shot.
यहाँ 4 मिलेंगे.
This time the left-hander, the faster one, beats everyone. And this time, this is improvisation, very good improvisation. Gets 4 runs.
यहाँ रन्स मिल सकते हैं. मिले हैं जी 4 यहाँ पे.
Length delivery. He's got the elevation only and he goes.
25 बनाए उन्होंने 30 गेंदों में. गोवा 105 पे 5. जिस ताकत की बात कर रहे थे वो शॉट में दिखाई है उन्होंने.
Oh, this one slipped from his hand. And into the gap, 4 runs. Good bowling once again, but this time he played it very cleverly. Well, that should be S50. Yes, a boundary to bring up S50. Prabhu Desai, he's batted well. You are right, they need to accelerate here. This should be 4. Well, this time gets yet another boundary.
लीजिए यहाँ 4 मिलेंगे.
Oh, this is once again, the intention was all right. Full toss and yet another boundary. So runs really some productive over here for Goa, the final over. Prabhu Desai, fine knock of 71 of 51. He's the one who has held the innings together. And Goa setting a target of 155 for Andhra.
154 रन बनाए हैं 5 विकेट खो के. पावर प्ले के भीतर 3 विकेट खो दिए थे गोवा ने, लेकिन उसके बाद प्रभु देसाई, विकास सिंह वो अच्छी साझेदारी कर रही है उन्होंने अपनी टीम के लिए. आखिरी में अर्जुन तेंदुलकर ने भी कुछ बढ़िया शॉट्स खेले, उसकी बदौलत गोवा ने पहले बल्लेबाजी करके 154 रन बनाए 5 विकेट खो के।
Both the openers coming in. Remember the other day, before yesterday, they batted really well. A lot of experience behind him. 71 innings for Srikar Bharat. And his partner at the other end is going to be the dashing Ashwin Hebbar. With the new ball, Arjun Tendulkar. 26 wickets for him in his 24 matches. Economy over 8. First ball of this innings. He's getting a bit of movement as well. Carved on the onside. Nicely played as well. That's racing away. That's going to be a boundary here. Good start here for KS Bharat. Opening his account of the very first delivery. Pulls it. That's high up in the air. And that's a cracking shot. It's gone all the way. That's a maximum.
यहाँ पे चौका मिलेगा.
That's a pitch. That should be taken as well, and easily taken. Hebbar has to go back.
अश्विन हेब्बार 10 गेंदों में 13 बनाए.
Pulls it. That's up in the air. Just clearing the fielder. निकाल दिया शेख रशीद ने 4 रनों के लिए. इस बार सीधे बैट से, ये सीधा और तीखा, ये गेंद दूर जाके गिरेगी 6 रन के लिए.
Viram Parab, and this time once again shot, and once again Bharat, and this time Midland leg stump helps himself to yet another 4. 3 on the trot there. Whistle, and this time up it and taken.
ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाए. 8 रन केवल 8 गेंदों में.
And that was slightly short, and that gave and that will be the fielder as well.
नहीं, ये लेंथ नहीं. यहाँ पे करेंगे, यही नसीहत रहेगी. 4 रन मिलते हुए.
Now trying to get his line right. This time once again Ricky Bui into the gap, 4 runs. Oh, look at this, another superb shot.
आगे बढ़ के सीधा बिल्कुल छक्का लगाया उन्होंने.
Shot, and Ricky Bui is not going to miss out. And this time that should have been stopped. 4 runs gifted away. Gets to his 50. KS Bharat. Ricky Bui launches into that one. Maximum there. Oh, once again Ricky Bui. He's on song here. They may finish it even before their quota of 20 overs. Chipped it, but safely. And 4 runs as well.
लीजिए, बहुत जोर से मारा है. उन्होंने कहा अर्शतक कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं तो छक्का लगा के अपना अर्शतक पूरा करूंगा.
Once again pulls it. That's going to be another 4 here. Once again, that's great timing. Oh, once again, that's uppish, but that's going to be another boundary here. And Andhra Pradesh, they have won it. Fine knocks by KS Bharat and Ricky Bui, both getting half centuries. They lost a couple of wickets early on, but this pair, they've done a wonderful job.
रिकी भुई, इन्होंने कमाल किया भाई. जिस तरीके से बल्लेबाजी करी है, 72 रन की पारी खेली है मात्र 38 गेंदों में.
Absolutely, this partnership has been really valuable. 98. Ricky Bui has been in a really good touch. The skipper leading from the front. Just the ease that he's gone with. Just the way he's batted, the approach that he's shown. This is how the game panned out. Goa getting to 154 for 5. Probably 25-30 runs short of the surface. They allotted 20 overs. Prabhu Desai, the top scorer. 71 unbeaten for him. Sasikant and Stephen getting a couple of wickets for Andhra. And Andhra, when they came in for the run chase, is getting in 15.4 overs. Thanks to Ricky Bui and KS Bharat, both of them getting very good half centuries. And Andhra Pradesh winning this game by 8 wickets.